Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy breakfast. In this breakfast, you're going to have breakfast potatoes and some eggs and maybe a vegetable or a fruit. So let's get into this video and do it. So I already have my potatoes peeled and cut into like cubes or whatever size you like. So I'm going to season them with salt and a few spices. So I'm going to be using paprika. You can use whatever spices you have. You really don't have to. And then turmeric, just a bit. And finally, coriander. So then I'm going to shake them to make sure all the potatoes are coated with the spices. Then we are going to fry them. So I've already put my pan on heat with a bit of oil. I don't want to deep fry these potatoes, so it's just a little oil, and then I'm going to add my potatoes. So I'm going to let them cook, then I'm going to come and turn them over and have them cooked all around. So while the potatoes are cooking, I'm also going to cook some eggs on this pan. So I'm going to light it up and come with some eggs. This is just your normal eggs, but I'm going to add some cheese and then so I add this cheese. You can use the grated one, but I like to buy these slices because they are easy and I have less work when it comes to cooking them. I usually turn it, have it cook. So our breakfast is ready. So I'm going to plate it. And I'm just using some avocado slices. Our egg. Potatoes. And we're going to add some tomato slices to give it some color. And there we have it, done. In a few minutes, you have your perfect breakfast. You can serve this with tea or coffee or a juice or whatever really you enjoy with your breakfast. But this is what I do and what I like to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.